Hey guys, today is the dreaded day. It's cleaning day. And what I like to do and get asked a lot of questions on is I like to use a brand called Totally Awesome. Totally Awesome is a very cheap brand that you can pick up at the dollar store or any main chain. It is nothing extremely special. I take a Q-tip. What I do is I get one side of the Q-tip completely wet. I go in and I rub the mirror. Please do not take the mirror out. It is a pain to get them lined back up correctly. So I just take it in on the inside and clean. You'll see it, it'll come off and it'll be a little black or maybe not too bad if you've cleaned it recently. Sometimes you got to do both sides, but then what I do at the end is I take a dry one and I go back in and clean off any wet residue or anything left. If it's still dirty, then you may need to clean it again. So just keep an eye on that. As we'll show you, it's a little hard to see, but we'll push down on this blue and this thing will swivel back a little bit. So we're going to pull down on that and the hose will come right out just like so. And now our air assist nozzle is completely free. What I'd like to do is I'd like to just bend that down just a tear. It will rotate on its own. Grab a 12mm wrench and then we'll take this off. Remember old lefty loosey righty tighty. And I should have lowered the bed before I turned it off, but I didn't. All right, so once we get our air assist nozzle loose with our 12mm wrench, you can take the rest of it off by hand. This just unscrews. All right, once we get that out, we're going to lay this right off to the side. And then we're going to grab our nozzle and just give it a twist. As you can see, our nozzle comes right off and you can look inside of it. If you can see yourself in a correct form, the lens is actually installed correctly. If you see yourself upside down or anything goofy, your lens is actually installed incorrectly. So once we have it here, then we're going to take this part. This part unscrews from the top. And this comes out. And then you can take your lens out from here. It just falls out like you see. At this point, I do the exact same thing. I use the Totally Awesome, and I use a microfiber cloth, which you see here. I just take a corner of it and roll it back and clean my lens real good. And then I go back in the exact same order and just reinstall everything. All right guys, and just like that, we have showed you how to clean the mirrors. We will clean 1, 2, and 3 the same exact way. And we just learned how to clean the lens, as you can see how easy it is here. There is other videos. Again, watch as many as you want. There's multiple products and there is tons of lens cleaning solutions and wipes. This is what works for me, and I feel very comfortable and safe with Q-tips and Totally Awesome. A lot of other products, just be careful what you're getting. Make sure it's not textured or anything that can scratch a lens or a mirror. So there you go. That's an easy way to keep your machine maintenance and ready to go.